I'm Gene and I'm out on the FireSprint production floor, and today I want to talk about some of the durability of some of the most common sign products out there. So I've got 6mm PVC, polystyrene, 3mm PVC, so it's half as thick, some 4mm corrugated plastic, and some foam core. So let's start with kind of the thinnest stuff. This is 040 polystyrene. And so this is actually a really great material, but you can see it's very flexible and it doesn't bend when flexed. But if I do bend it over and crease it, I can get it to kind of snap in that way. And so with that, I can tear it if I need to. So again, that's way overkill for a sign. It's very flexible, but if I put a crease into it, I can get that to snap. 3mm PVC. 3mm PVC is quite a bit more rigid than the polystyrene. Of course, it's almost 3 times as thick in this case. And you can see it's got a nice flex to it. It has a nice edge. It's very durable. And this is gonna last a little longer outdoors in the sun than the styrene will. But the styrene is actually more cold weather resistant than the PVC is, if that's a issue like going into a cooler or something like that. A lot of your freezers are made out of polystyrene plastic, actually. So this is going to take quite a bit more effort for me to destroy, and I may not even be able to, yeah, I can't hardly, without making it splinter maybe, I can't hardly get this to bend over, but it will fold, especially if it's a little heated. But you can see I'm putting quite a bit of effort to do anything to this, and then the corners are pretty solid too. 3mm PVC is a durable product. Here's 4mm corrugated plastic. Now, corrugated plastic is kind of an interesting thing because it has these flutes or these channels that go up and down in there. So if I'm gonna bend it this way, it's really not difficult to do. I can put a crease in it. And so you can actually take advantage of that if you're trying to, you know, make a pyramid, for example. We can bend at the crease, it's very easy to do. But if I go the other way and try and bend against the flutes, it is significantly tougher this way. And corrugated plastic's one of those things that I can bend it, I can get it to kind of show creases and things like that, but it is very challenging to destroy. I can't really tear any of these. Well, you saw me tear the styrene, but the corrugated plastic, I wonder if I use my knife and start a cut, if I can get this to tear. Yeah, if I start a cut, I can tear it down the flutes like that, but kind of like a phone book, you can tear a phone book down a spine. Tearing this way, there's no way I'd be able to do that, I don't think. Oop, very durable. Watch Gene cut himself on camera, that'd be a good one. Yeah, it's good stuff. It does bend, it's flexible, but it's really difficult to destroy. So it's awesome for that. It's great for holding up signs, cheer signs. This is why this is the most popular sign product, outdoor sign product on the planet, is corrugated plastic. It's lightweight, it's awesome. This 3mm PVC probably weighs 2 or 3 times as much as this yard sign. This here is foam board. You know foam board, you can get it at a hobby store or anything like that. You made a diorama out of it as a kid. This is probably the least durable sign product, rigid sign product. But the nice thing is it is fairly rigid. Until it fails, it stays nice and rigid. And so that's why it looks really great sitting on an easel, as long as you don't dent that corner like that, right? Hit the corner, hit the edge. If the edge runs into something, it's very easy to do. You know, if I did that same thing with the, I mean, I really have to bang at it and that corner's still there where the foam board, I take this and half the effort and I've ruined the edge of the sign there. And then of course, once I start to destroy it, it's just paper with a foam inner, very easy to destroy. But if you've got a temporary event, you're doing something really quick, you need this to sit on an easel, look pretty for a few hours and then you're done, this might be a little bit easier for you to fold up and get into a trash can at a hotel or something like that. So very lightweight, especially for the rigidity. Until the point of failure, the rigidity of foam board is awesome. And then of course, we have 6mm PVC. This is one of the strongest or the strongest sign materials that we offer here at FireSprint. And it's really 3mm PVC. So you saw me going through all of that, but it's even thicker. And so this, I'd probably have to step on it to get this to crease. It's pretty tough. And then in terms of the corners and things like that, I really got to do a lot, and I'm just kind of rounding over that corner just a little bit there. Very durable material. No way would I be able to tear this or anything like that. So that's 6mm PVC. So depending on the project you have, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you want to get some of this stuff in your own hands, first of all, we have a low 1-piece minimum, so you can order 1 of anything. But if you want a full sample pack that has a sample of all of these where you can actually feel it and maybe tug at it yourself and understand what materials you're selling, check out our sample kits at firesprint.com. We'll put a link down in the description to link directly to the sample kits. I really appreciate you hanging out with me while I destroyed some scrap signs. Thanks for watching.